Welcome to Lesson 10, Loops. Learn to repeat actions in your scripts. Let us begin. The for loop repeats for each item in a list. Brace expansion generates number sequences. C-style loops use an initializer and increment. All three forms work in ZSH. Let us create 3 types of for loops. A list loop assigns each word to fruit. Echo prints the fruit on each pass. Brace expansion ranges from 1 to 5. C-style uses an initializer and increment. Let us review with bat. Now we run all 3 loops. Fruits, numbers, and indices printed correctly. While loops repeat as long as the condition holds. Until is the opposite, looping until true. Both need a changing variable to stop. Use until when waiting for a condition. Let us create while and until loops. Count starts at 1 for the while loop. It prints and increments each pass. Now until counts down from 5. It stops at 0 and prints liftoff. Let us review the script. Now let us run both loops. While counted up to 5, until counted down to liftoff. Break exits a loop immediately. Continue skips to the next iteration. Use break to stop searching after a match. Continue is great for filtering items. Let us see break and continue in action. The continue example loops from 1 to 10. If I is even, continue skips the echo. Only odd numbers print. The break example searches a name list. When Charlie is found, break stops the loop. Let us review and run the script. Now let us execute it. Five odd numbers printed, and the search stopped at Charlie. Glob patterns match files by name. For loops with globs, process each matching file. While read processes a file line by line. Redirect input with a less than operator. Let us create a complete file processing script. First, mkdir creates a testdir directory. The loop writes content to 3 files. We list files to confirm. This glob pattern matches each text file. Cat prints each file contents. While read processes a file line by line. Finally, we clean up the test directory. Let us review and run the script. All files were created, processed, and cleaned up. Let us recap Lesson 10. For loops, iterate through lists and ranges. While and until control repetition. Break and continue steer flow. Next, functions and reusable code. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for new lesson alerts. See you in the next one.